permanent makeup artist? Are you having trouble drawing your brows, your hair strokes? I made a video especially for you. I hope with this video I can really help you achieve great results. So come with me. Okay, so I have my paper and my pencil here, and that's how I want you to practice at home. You're gonna draw some brows. Don't worry about how many inches they have. Just try to get your hands to really draw a brow. Let me draw one here for you guys. So you can see how I'm doing, and then you can try practice at home. Okay, so that's what I want you to do at home. Just practice your brows with paper and pencil. What you have to remember is here and here has to be more round, okay? Not a square like this. When we learn at school, they give normally a paper for us, and then they teach us how to do 4 straight lines, right? So let me mark this more so you can see better. So 4 straight lines. And it's not wrong. That's how you're gonna learn. Because our brows are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 straight lines, right? But on a normal brow is not so straight like this, right? This is more round, and here is more round. Just like this other one that I drew. So looks more natural. So that's what you're gonna do. You're just gonna try to draw at home, freehand, how a brow should look. And don't worry if you're doing the straight lines, okay? With time, you're gonna understand how to do a brow. It gets easier as you practice. Then, when you get this down, when you get the frame down, you need to do the hair strokes. If you're using a hand tool, what I want you to do is go on Instagram, check other people's work that you like, and save those pictures of the microblading work that they did. And then when you get your paper again and your pencil and it's time for you to practice, you put that picture next to you and try to see how they did those hair strokes, okay? You can zoom the picture. Normally, Instagram, you click the picture, you zoom, and you can really see those hair strokes. And then you try to do on your own. Normally when we start, we're beginners, we do everything straight, right? Like this brow here. We just do the stroke straight, 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 straight. What does not look natural? Nobody has brows like that. What you need to know is the beginning here, the brow always is kind of straight up, but does fall a little bit. See? It's not so straight like this. Does have a falling to it. When you get in the bottom here of the brows, then it falls even more. It starts to go really to that side. Look, really to that side. Okay? And then here on the top, about around here, it starts to go down too. Okay? In the direction of the tail. So those 3 things is very important. The beginning of a brow, the bottom part of the brow, and the top part of the brow. That's normally the directions that the strokes are gonna go. But other thing that you can do is, if you have a sister or your mom or your friend, look at their brows. See how their hair grows, okay? Everybody has a different falling of the hair. Some people in the beginning, they have hair more like this, see? They're a little bit up and a little bit to the sides, like a little bush, right? And then it starts falling. Asian people, normally, these hairs go very, let me show over here. So normally Asian people, they have these ones that go up, and then very quick, all the hair starts to go down. Most of their brow, the hair is all down. So that's another thing you have to check on your client too, okay? So So by looking at your friends and by looking at your brows, you can have an idea of what direction your hair grows. If you want, you can always get, if you have those those pencils that we use to draw the brows, not this one, this is just a regular pencil. You can get those black pencils that the tip here is more square, more straight, right? And you can just try to fill in the direction of your friend's hair or even your brow. You can go to the mirror and try to do that with your brow. And by looking at those things, you're going to start understanding how the brows work. And it's going to be much easier for you to try to practice at home. Okay?